Tabarira nyingi cia uthii wa nambere guku bururi-ini ikoretwo igikinyanirio kumana na kioneki kia mwaka wa 2030 kana Vision 2030 kiria kiwekaine na kuheana mwerekera hari tabarira itiganite. Thutha wa mucemanio wa bodi njeru muthi wa umuthi riu arugamiriri na atwarithia kioneki giki ni mandirire kurikirira kwa makiria gicunji kia mirongo mugwanja hari igana hari tabarira cia uthii wa nambere iria ciendekithitio ni athugundi a kioneki giki.
Infrastructure is the basis on which private sector moves. So the question where we are at, as far as government is concerned, on our 30%, because as government we look at our 30%. I think I would say confidently we are at over 70% in terms of what has been done.
Ken Mwige niwe murugamiriri munene wa Vision 2030 uria riugite makoretwo magikirira tabarira cia waki wa barabara na icukiro cia meri kuthio kinyaniria na kwagirithia mitambo ya kiriu ta njira nginyaniru cia gukinyaniria uthii wa nambere.
In the design of Kenya Vision 2030, it falls on government to do the things which private companies and the private sector cannot do. For example, the private sector has no economic incentive to build a port in Lamu. It's only government which takes a long-term view, 50 years or something, and doesn't look at the profit.
Bodi ya Ruhonge ni yaniriire rugamiriri mweru kuria riu karukariukia gukorwa akioerera ta muikariri giti ari giturwa kiria kiraikarĩirwo ni murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya wendia wa njohi ya EABL Jane Karuku kwa ihinda ria miaka 3.
Apart from looking at the work around infrastructure, there's also the ICT side that we'll be bringing in. Then the private sector has also been very involved, even in the areas of governance and politics, and so we'll also be bringing that on board, but a lot more.
Kariuki niranire gutigirira ni akuruhania nyirire miothe riu akiuga ihinda riria ritigarite ria miaka 8 hari ruhonge ni riganu ria gukinyaniria tabarira ciothe iria ciendekithitio.
A lot of development partners in this country who are doing a lot of work in the development agenda, and I think it's about time that the vision also interacts with the development partners more closely. Ariwe muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa kambuni cia andu kiumbe rwa KEPSA Kariuki niranire bata wa gukuruhania ruhonge ruru niguo kioneki giki kihinge. We are a private sector led economy, and so a lot of the things that we see in the country are very led by the private sector. And so I would like to continue to rally the private sector to ensure that we achieve the goals and of the vision. If
you look at ICT, if you look at roads, if you look at all the developments going on, if you look at automation and digitization of government services, if you look at all those things, they have set a very good base from which the private sector can launch.
Hadi ni Kameme TV, letora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.